Does it feel like you or someone in your family is always on a diet, either to lose weight or to manage a disease, but that goal is forever elusive? Well, you are not alone. 80% of dieters fail, and that is because they focus on the end result and not on eating healthy. Hello, my name is Megha, and I'm the co-founder of True Weight, India's leading food-based weight management solution. My team and I have helped 40,000 plus people manage lifestyle diseases, including obesity. For a limited time, I am offering a diet consultation to you with one of my expert nutrition coaches absolutely free. Here's what you will get in the free diet consultation. Number 1, a diet report that includes a score on how healthy you are eating. It will highlight what you're doing right and what you may need to change. Number 2, a free diet chart. You will get 3 meal plans as per your diet preference, lifestyle, and medical conditions. You can get started right away after the call. And number 3, get 3 of your most burning, pressing questions answered by the nutritionists. This consultation will be the start of the healthy life and fit body that you've been dreaming of. Please trust me and book this now. Click that button now.